KLadder Bookshelf that I'm putting together for a new home office setup, and I wanted to kind of go through. I just put it together. I want to give you some of my thoughts, my opinions, comment on how it's built and how easy it was to install. So basically, I just got it. I want to say that the overall quality on it seems to be, very good. There's no plastic anywhere. Everything here is wood and metal. And as terms of just quality of like the thickness of the shelves are they're solid. They've got some weight to them. I don't have any reservations about putting some weight on these shelves. I'm happy that they're going to be sturdy. It took about 30 minutes to put together, and it really wasn't that hard. They do give you all the tools, although I do recommend that you maybe have a power drill to kind of make it go a little bit faster. It took me about 30 minutes with a power tool. It might have taken me 45 without. So, but as you can see, there's no visible fasteners. You can't see anything. You can't see any screws, because if you come around the back, all the screws and all the fasteners are around the back. They're all just a bunch of Allen keys, and then there are some Phillips heads right back here. Sorry, the camera's not picking them up. It's a little bit dark back here, but that's basically how this is done the whole time. And then also, they are attached underneath. So that's where the fasteners are. Again, it's just a lot of turns. So that's why I say just get a power drill if you don't want to be sitting there turning the stuff all the time. But overall, I do like the aesthetic, and the height on it's perfect. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, and this comes up right about to my my shoulders, my chin area. So that's about how tall that is. And I want to say it's about 2.5 feet wide. So yeah, overall perfect space. It fits nicely against the wall, and again, I'm happy with the purchase. I like that it has the little lips here on the back, so nothing can fall off the back. And yeah, overall, I think that you wouldn't be disappointed if you purchased it as well.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.